So I'm doing a quick little video, and if you guys saw on one of my Vlogmas days, I got a VoxBox, and I was lucky enough to get picked for another VoxBox. And basically I have this app called Influenster where I review products for fun, just like to review them. And if you have good reviews and like you're good at reviewing stuff and like you have a good following, they send you VoxBoxes where it's sent to you for free to review specifically, not just free products. And I was lucky enough to be chosen for a Becca VoxBox. So we're gonna open her up on camera while just going for it. I need some scissors because it is taped. May have ripped the box. Okay, so we're gonna open her up. Ooh. So it says Becca Hydra Mist, and it's set plus chill equals cool Hydra Mist set and refresh powder. So we have the Becca soft kabuki brush. I'm gonna open her up. Ooh. Look at that. Nice little, very soft kabuki brush. And then we have the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder, which looks like this. Yay, cool. I'll have to use this the next time I do my makeup. Yeah, so it says it's a set and chill, an ultra translucent refreshing powder that dusts on like a mist and sets makeup to help extend wear. This weightless powder sets, perfects, and refreshes makeup for a silky smooth and visible finish. Formulated with 50% water, this powder makes skin look awakened and fresh upon application. Apply throughout the day to refresh and rejuvenate makeup, ideal for all skin tones. And I've only used the Leroy Mercier translucent setting powder. I didn't really like it, so I just stick with the Becca Cosmetics setting powder. So we'll see how this works for me. Very excited to review everything. Okay. Skip to a clip where I'm actually trying this out on my skin when I'm doing my makeup, whenever that will be. So I'll probably, different setting, different clothes, but be doing my makeup. So now I'm on to the setting portion of my makeup routine, and I'm gonna try using the powder now. It's cool, like it says keep me close to keep me cool, and it like pops open. That was literally everywhere. Hello. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. That's so cool. It's a lot of extra. Set her, wow. Hello. This is like wet. That's so weird. Feels great though. Like it feels like it's setting it in place. That's so weird. It literally feels wet. It's so weird. Definitely tap off the excess because there is a lot of excess powder on here. Oh goodness. Okay, so initial impressions, it's very odd that it's like wet. So it feels weird when it goes on. I was not expecting that. You have to definitely tap off the excess. But right now, it feels pretty nice. I think it's because the foundation that I use, I see a little bit of creasing, but that's okay. We'll have to see how this plays out for the rest of the day. This is gonna be on for a while. I don't know if I'll keep it on because I'm going to the Movement tonight, which is a dance team at my not my high school, oh my god, my college, and I'm gonna go participate tonight to see if I want to actually join it. So we'll see if I keep my makeup on and if it lasts through it. But so far it looks really nice. I'll look at it with my glasses on. Oof. It looks good. Like, it's just smooth, which is nice. Yeah. Also, this is not an actual tattoo. This is a henna. I got it for henna. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. We'll finish the rest of my makeup routine.